record a video to show you how I clean my brushes with the 3-in-1 cleansing bar. So I have my phone set up right now to try to record it while I'm doing it. So I just want to show you how awesome this bar is to clean your brushes. Use it in the shower to wash your body and your face, but you can also use it to clean your brushes. So it comes in this cool little container. You just take the top off. It's nice because it's already in a dish and you don't need one for it. It also has holes at the bottom so the water drains out of it. But what I'm going to do is just turn the water on. Let me make sure that you can see here. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is wash my liquid foundation brush. I use this brush every single day with my CC cream, and it's really important that we are washing our brushes. We should be washing them at least once a week so that your brushes last and that you're not getting bacteria on your face. So I'm going to go ahead and just put the bar of soap under the water. And I'm going to take my brush, and I hope you guys can see this. I'm just going to rub my brush on the bar of soap. Can you see that? Look at all that foundation that's coming off. It's so nice to clean your brushes with this bar. What I have over here also is a brush cleaner to help you get the soap off. Can you see all of that coming off my brush, how dirty that is? Your brushes really get saturated with the product that you're using. So I'm just going to use my bar of soap here. Can you see it's lifting out all that foundation from my brush? Oh my goodness, look how dirty that is. I missed last weekend. I didn't wash them last weekend, so this is a couple weeks here. That's why it's so important to wash our brushes. See how there's getting to be less and less product on the bar of soap? This is also going to help maintain the bristles on your brush so that they last longer. I know when I find a good brush that I like, I want to keep it forever. So when you dry your brushes, you want to hang them upside down. And what you can do is just take a hair tie and wrap it around a towel rack in your bathroom to let them dry. I also want to show you, I'm going to wash my eyeshadow brush. Because those also, if you're using them every day, I don't know if you can see here. This is my eyeshadow brush. I'm going to go ahead and wash that as well. Look at all that. Now, if you're changing eyeshadow colors that you're using, you do want to make sure that you're washing your brushes so that you're not mixing the colors, especially if you're using a shade that's not neutral. So our 3-in-1 cleansing bar is a great product to clean your brushes. And you can see the water just drains out of the bottom of the dish. So I just wanted to show you guys what I do to clean my brushes. Can you see how clean that is now? There's no product coming off of it. It's nice and clean again, and I'll do the same thing. I'll hang it upside down on my towel rack.